Sawadee Beach Soi in Pattaya. This is just up near Second Road. Big area here for coach parking because there's a couple of the ladyboy shows used to be here, this area. Sunday afternoons, nearly 3 p.m, 6th of February. The Triangle Super Club, they're all closed. What was that? Alcazar somewhere. It's alright, I come back. Alcazar. You can see there the Alcazar. They're all closed at the moment. Can't do shows. It's the Ladyboy show. The Beer Fest Hall just through there. But today I thought we'd take a quick look at the beach and Soi 4 and 5. Second Road here. Still pretty quiet in Pattaya. Not many people are coming back. You have a look at this area here. Closed, everything's closed. Bars are still 11. Soi 4. There's that big massage shop boarded up for development. It's crazy. Let's take a look down here and have a look at the beach. It's hot, 31 degrees, feels like 34. COVID cases went up slightly, but that's nothing to worry about. It's probably just a few more getting tested. But there's less people dying, which is a good thing. The test and go program's back, so hopefully more people can arrive, except for that 5-day second test. That sucks. Some nice hotels down here. Bella Villa, swimming pools up there. Pretty cool. Some new hotels, the Hotel Vista, they look nice, balconies. And then look at all these. Swimming pools in the middle there. Good quiet streets these, no bars of course. Get a few little shops and massages here and there. Coffee shops everywhere. Everyone's inside, it's too hot to be outside. There you go, vacant block of land there, lots of bananas. Even that looks okay there. Mike Beach Resort. Looks nice. Oh, just there was a rooftop lounge, I think. Here, Virgin Bar, rooftop bar, great views of the beach. If you go up there, 9th floor, they say. And a great little restaurant on the corner here. Great views, good prices. I've been in there a couple of times. Just in there. A little fish tank there, full of fish. That's a nice spot there. Let's have a quick look at the beach just to show you guys and get a quick spot here. A little bit of a breeze actually. You see the footpath, pretty quiet. No one around this end of town. It's nice with a bit of breeze. Look at that, not too busy guys. For a Sunday afternoon, no tourists still. Get a nice suntan today. You can see the breeze there with the flags flying. See that condo block there? The top apartment was for sale, 400 million baht, 500 square metre, 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. It's in the North Shore block. I don't know if they ever sold it. Here's the Pimp My Ride motorbike. Let's go take a look. Soi 5. So yeah, pretty quiet guys. Even though it is an afternoon, the bar's still quite busy, some of them at night. Soi 5 Beach Road. It's the entrance to the North Shore block. They're not cheap in there, I know that. I hope everyone's doing okay. We've got Valentine's Day next week. The girls all love it. Look at these little places here. Tip Buri. It's like a massage shop in there. Looks cool. There's all the condos. Paradise Land. They've got a sauna, swimming pool. They're closed, of course. Best Beach Villa. That looks okay too. Some good little hotels. There you can see that price. 900 baht. You get nearly any hotel now for 1,000 or under. A lot of them are still closed. The left side there's the back of the Pattaya International Hospital, and on this right side, that used to be bars and a few other things, all ripped down years ago. Don't know if you can see in there. You can see the plane through there near Soi 6, but amazing how much things change, you know. Rip things down, build new things. No exchange rate, they're closed. A little bar just there. But I thought I'd just give you a quick look at that, guys. Stay safe, everybody. As you can see, second road. Some Sundays were quite busy, but everyone's disappeared again. All right, Uru from P. Joe. Stay safe. Over and out.